Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka Shakuntala di Gamlin, kabalong ka Secretary jongka tenan Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities jongka sorkat pedeng. Haka katbai terik mentau benai leber arajar kat kendai. Kala play pajba ya ka Jingïathir, Halor ka hok jongki breu, Kiba dan Duna hakit Dkhot ya ka bala pelong ha State Convention Center Shillong. Haka ni ka singilai dan langru ka Joint Secretary jongka tenan Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities, ka bahap apo ka Jingpet jongka Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Kadoli Chakrabarti kabalalong kom kasubok kongsan ringkat kajinan lang u DGP kejela Meghalaya UR Chandra Nathan bat kiwede kikenram kilandan.
Build capacity of government, society, civil society to look after such children, that such children from 0 to 6 years, if they are brought to such centers where their brain is developing, their muscle spasticity could be reduced. The children could learn numeracy and literacy. The child who was sitting on a wheelchair could begin to walk. And the child who was autistic can become a huge artificial intelligence expert. Which means that you only need to seek and you will get it. So the Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act, which is a constitutional right to be given to such children, will have to be implemented and made a reality by you and me. If you look at the Constitution, disabilities is a subject which is a subject of the state and the local bodies. But if I don't build capacity for you, you will not find it easy to empower such children. But if you look at the economic argument, we have 3 crore such children, and the number of children every day would be born with some learning disabilities. And if you look at the category of disabilities, dyslexia, dysgraphia, dyscalculus, you can look at autism, cerebral palsy, you can look at Parkinson's disease, you can look at thalassemia, hemophilia, sickle cell, autism spectrum disorder, you can look at hearing impairment, visual impairment, you can look at locomotor impairment. But 3 crore such children and their parents, so 5 to 6 crores and their siblings, so 6 to 7 crore children, or 6 to 7 crore people of India would be struggling to look after such a child, would be denied the right of working for their livelihood, would not have the out-of-pocket expenses to look after such a child, would be psychologically, socially, all the time burdened with the fact that I have a child like this, who will not be able to go to school, where do I get my money from? So the situation will be very helpless. So when the Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act, which was passed in Parliament in 2016, 2017, and the department's schemes, whether it's the Deen Dayal Rehabilitation Scheme, which looked and recognized that such civil society and such parents who were the first movers of looking after such children, providing the multidisciplinary services, whether it is therapy, whether it is attendants, nurses, physiotherapists, occupational therapists, or whether it's teachers and whether it's doctors, under a same roof. I would say our 600 civil society partners under the Deen Dayal Rehabilitation Scheme, who are the active partners that government has shaken hands with. I would say they deserve to be really complimented.